So I'm building a spray booth in my garage, and I'd like to have a way to hook my air into the exterior wall, through the wall, inside the spray booth, so that I can just have a dedicated hose inside the spray booth that's nice and clean, because if any of you know air hose, you know it drags along the ground and it gets incredibly dirty. And I want my spray booth to be as dust free as possible. So this is how I'm going to do it. I have my male air fitting to 1/4 inch, and then this is an adapter from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch because I couldn't find solderable copper fitting that was any smaller than a 1/2 inch. So this is going to go like this through the wall. I'm going to have a wall plate that sits right on the outside of these, and this is just going to be, I'm going to have to strap this to a 2x4 to one of the studs as sturdily as possible, and I'll show you how I do that. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet. And then I'm going to have a wall plate on the exterior wall and the interior wall with a hole large enough where I can have these connected, and I can put these in, and it'll just be a permanent bypass of the wall for my air hoses. So I'm going to get these soldered together, and I will be back with some progress.